Let's begin by learning about the basic parts of your machine. The carry handle is here. This makes it very easy to transport your machine. This is the pattern selector dial. Turn this to choose the stitch you want, as well as to select the buttonhole. This is the stitch length dial. It allows you to adjust the distance between the stitches. This is the removable extension table, which provides a flat surface for sewing. However, it can be removed from the machine, providing access to the free arm. This is great when sewing tubular areas like pants hems or small items like children's clothing or craft projects. The extension table provides storage for your machine's accessories. The thread tension dial is located here. For most of your sewing, you can just leave it set in this range. However, it can be altered as much as you want for different sewing techniques, like basting or gathering. At the back of the machine is your presser foot lifter. Lift this to remove fabric from under the presser foot when finished sewing, or to place fabric under the foot to begin sewing. This is your foot controller. The rest of your machine's parts will be explained as they are used throughout this program.